Assalamualaikum, welcome back. In my last video, I discussed negation, conjunction, disjunction, which includes inclusive and exclusive or. And in this video, I will be discussing two logical connectors which are conditional and biconditional. Firstly, I'm going to tell you what conditional statements are and how they can be solved. And a conditional statement is also called as an implication statement, and it is represented by an arrow like this. In implication, P is the hypothesis and Q is conclusion. Now let's have a look over its truth table. When P is true and Q is also true, the answer will be true because you did hypothesis and got the result or conclusion. But when P is true and Q is false, the answer will also be false because you did hypothesis and got no result. When P is false and Q is true, then the answer will be true because you got conclusion without hypothesis. And when P is false and Q is also false, the answer will be true because you did not do any hypothesis and got no result. In implication, hypothesis is the sentence after the word if, and conclusion is the sentence after the word then. For example, if you are going, then I'm also going. In this sentence, P is you are going and I am also going is Q. The logical construct of this sentence will be P implies Q. Now, there are three related implications which are converse, contrapositive, and inverse. In converse, a sentence P implies Q becomes Q implies P. For example, and in contrapositive, a sentence P implies Q becomes negation of Q implies negation of P. For example, in inverse, a sentence P implies Q becomes negation of P implies negation of Q. It means the whole sentence remains the same except for the negations in P and Q. I will be discussing last logical connector in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.